said I'm feeling real good. It's like living life, it's all we ever try to do. And I'm feeling real good right now, real good. Living life, looking at the way they treat us. I'm no Gilbert, but I swear I'm filling up arenas. A lot of girls that tell their friends they would die to meet us. And your money real small, Wally Cleaver. Tell her that I love her, all I do is mislead her. You're the dog in the game, golden retriever. And I'm ballin' like Ariza, and I swear I'm taking over. This is how them people see it. Shit, I'm just young in the game, trying to come up. People get the hating cause I made it major. Your chances looking some, you better get your weight up. Niggas get to talking, acting like they know us, but I bet they wish they could. And fuck it if they mad, and I do it for my mama, R.I.P. to my dad. Yeah, and tell them I'm back, cause hip hop, I'm that black. So tell them that we up now. Check my profile, flow so hostile. We walking on the cloud, know me and only loud. Get your damn girl, I heard she stayed going down. Wait, I heard she good at giving face. Yellow diamond piece looking like some cheesecake. And my whole team ballin', nigga, no boy states. And you're doing good, and I'm doing great. LOL to the niggas dissing every day. And you get no replies, just a smiley face. And my records caving in, I make them suffocate. And my whole team eating, and you brothers ain't. And shout out to my homie Nate. My brody hit my back from the very first day. These niggas need a first aid kit. I'm killing niggas with my rhymes, shit. So everybody wanna live right. We work hard, we get a taste of the good life. Morning time interviews and a couple freaks. Me and Night, another show with some more freaks. I kick back, enjoy life while I'm on the beach. I bring too much attention for me to stay low key. Say eyes red from smoky or smoking, because the critics around me, they bring no peace. Jazzy Records is the label and we taking off. Like girls at Summer Jam when they bout to break them off. And I'm staying on top when I'm in my loft. And they say that I'm a bully cause I kick them out. It's showtime, tell them it's my time. 5-star dining, niggas they gon' rewind it. Mad and stay shining, blue and yellow diamonds. All the brothers mad cause their girlfriends want me. Let's go, well let's go. Feeling real good right now.